Hello, folks. We are going to make a Southern style 20 minutes chicken salad. You can put it on the sandwich, you can put it on the croissant, you can put it on the bun, or you can eat it by itself as a salad. Let's boil 2 glasses of water and put 2 or 3 bay leaves in it, and then half teaspoons of salt. Cut the butterfly chicken into 2 pieces, drop it in the boiling water. Once it's boiled, let it cool down and get a deep, shallow pan and then start shredding like this. This is how the chicken should look once it's shredded. Now we are going to start adding the ingredients. Everything should be finely chopped. This is a half cup chopped celery, half cup chopped cilantro. Then we're going to do half cup of green onions, half cup of chopped parsley, and then half cup chopped red onions. We're going to add all that ingredients in there, and then half tablespoon of celery seed, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of salt, again, depending on your taste. We're gonna add half cup of mayo. You can get light mayo if you're concerned about your weight. 2 tablespoons of mustard paste, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder or garlic paste, whichever you have. 2 tablespoons ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice, whichever you have. And we're going to start mixing it well, just like it's shown. And look at this, is the texture should look. Get bread, croissant, bun, anything you want, white bread, wheat bread. Spread it on one side, put a leaf of lettuce, put a Swiss cheese, maybe a couple of tomatoes. Cover the bread, remove the borders, cut it triangle, and there you go, folks. Add a couple of slices of pickles, a little bit of baked potato chips or whichever you like, and enjoy it with the chili sauce or ketchup. This is the quick school lunch recipe. If you haven't subscribed the channel, click subscribe and share with your friends. See you later, guys. Until next time, with a great recipe again.